Isha?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, go on. How you are?
Yeah, get ready for the online school.
You know, look on the television. Them say no school now keep it's COVID time.
But Daddy, I'm a yard me at the school.
Look a girl, me know why you confuse me, you know. Then your mother can get mother send it down have to test me for it, you know. Them say COVID time to the yard, no go nowhere at all, so no school now keep. So nobody test me for this morning. Don't them burn up on online. If you go to the door, if you look where the pan the line out there is closed the pan line. There's no way no school upon line. After hour attempts a call jump for moon. Eh? Oh you them go upon line. No close go upon line. You can't do class upon line. I have on school uniform at that in the morning. And your face looks so hot. Our Magdalene can't say I go?
No, Daddy, me mean like on the phone.
What you say you're doing a uniform now?
Online school.
How can you do school online?
Because I on my phone, I go do it.
Up your phone you do?
Yeah.
Where your phone then? Oh, I say I teacher that there.
Yes.
I teacher. Are you a teach me data? Oh, alright. I go make you start up online. Yeah, alright, later. You can go on to go do your thing. This is where they're gone now.
Welcome class to our online virtual classes. My name is Teacher White or Teacher Prolong. Yes sir. Remember to wash your hands and always wear your mask, yeah, which is right.
But sir, an online class me had one of my yard with it.
But wait, I never see you have an eyelash, makeup, extension ear. What are they caca for? Well,
Sir, you can't tell me what to do. You won't teach me. I ring up your phone.
I might have to report you, you know.
Sir, let me this say no and cut you off my phone.
Wait. But you're getting rank.
Alicia? When you call her?
No?
I forgot to care about doctor, you know. You look like the papa off down the young penny years, you know. But anyway, I don't have time for you today, you know. But the boy hungry now, so what I go do? I go get some fish kind up the road. Take off a uniform and put on, wash some rice, put on the fire till I come back. So I come back. Alicia, what you do?
Wash your rice, Daddy. I'm not too like that for me, you know. Can burn up my hand.
And the 1 pound of rice, the take a pound of rice, you wash with fab. You can't put fab in a rice. How would they get it from? A foolish that the man. I waste my rice.
Sure. You not tell me to wash rice.
So I say wash your rice, you know, so you wash rice, you know, wash rice with fab.
Come fi know that. Me not cook on my yard, you know. It's me teeth, yeah, man. Next time I ask for you. Me can't do nothing to please them and then I want to go home.
Click the like button because it pump up the algorithm in the thing for sure so we do a good job. You have a lot of people who watch it and in the end them figure say them feel like and subscribe. Please just do that for me. Please, just that me I beg you. Just show a little support and I can continue the journey because without the little like them and little comments them, you know, it give me the energy. You understand? That give me the energy. You understand the interaction.